Nashville, it's a pretty old city. We painted and fixed up the old music room. Tootsie's still kicking, they won't let her fry chicken, but the music's still loud